This is all my Christmas trash that I have saved. So I kept wrapping paper, ribbon, it's all going to make some really nice junk journal diaries. A donkey with some glitter on. Biscuit boxes I've kept the stars from. Penguin paper. Old gift tags, which I thought was quite cute, the little Santa. The gift tag box you can use, make an envelope with. I thought that was quite cool. Some Christmas stickers that I never used. Really nice, glittery. Christmas crackers. Things that came with my sticker pack, which you could put little things in, staple in. I keep this was popcorn, Bucks Fizz flavour, and I've got the stars that I've kept. Holographic paper that I've kept from a child's toy. And this is my favourite. Gold foil sweet wrappers from Christmas. Stick them in. I mean, the gold ones, they look like almost like gold leaf, and you can crush them, rip them. So here are just a few ideas that you could do for your junk journaling.